But the good thing about this skin tint is that even if you end up buying a shade or two lighter, it has that natural, slightly dewy look to it. Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my review on the newly launched Rimmel Kind and Free Moisturizing Skin Tint Foundation. In my last video where I showed you guys what all things I purchased from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, I showed you guys a little sneak peek on this foundation and a lot of you were so excited and you guys wanted me to post this video. So here I am today. Let me tell you guys, I have been obsessed with this little skin tint. So in case if you guys want to know how this product performs on my skin and what I feel about this bad boy, then please continue watching. I got a haircut done yesterday and I am now part of the curtain bangs club. I love how these fringes look on me. It makes me look and feel cute, you know. जोश में आके कल मैंने bangs कटवा तो लिए, but now I am so stressed because if you have ever gotten fringes in the past before, you would know how time consuming and how stressful fringes are. They are very difficult to manage, so I am hoping कि मैं manage कर पाऊँ. So please pray for me.
Okay.
So like all of my review videos, I'm obviously going to give you guys few details about the product, the demo on this product, and towards the end I'm going to be reviewing this bad boy for you guys. So first things first, this retails for 700 rupees and you get 30 ml of product in this bad boy and it comes in 12 different shades. The shade that I got is in the shade 210 Golden Beige. Claims that it moisturizes skin, blurs imperfections and creates a smooth base for flawless makeup application. It is made up with 77% ingredients of natural origin. It is lightweight, gives you a dewy finish for a fresh, healthy glow instantly and keeps your skin hydrated all day long. It is fragrance and mineral oil free and it is also vegan and cruelty free. So let's talk about the consistency of this product. This skin tint has slightly liquidy consistency. It is not too liquidy in the sense wherein it will move everywhere. The thing that I liked about this skin tint is that it is so lightweight on your skin. In fact, this is the skin tint that I have on my face right now and it feels extremely lightweight. This bad boy feels even more lightweight than the Wet n Wild tinted hydrator and you guys already know how much I love that stuff, but it's just that the shade selection is absolutely horrendous. The shade range on this is pretty good. They have launched 12 different shades here in India and the selection that they have in these 12 shades is good, so it will cater to people from light to dusky skin tone really well. Not so much for people with too deep of a complexion, but I feel like it's still okay and I'm going to tell you why. So the shade that I have is 210 Golden Beige. I have yellow undertones in my skin tone, so that is what I look for when it comes to my base product. I usually fall in that beige category, like golden beige, natural beige category, so I thought 210 would suit my skin tone. It's slightly darker than my skin tone, but the good thing about this skin tint is that even if you end up buying a shade or two lighter, it mixes in with your skin tone so well that you will barely able to tell a difference in case if you do end up purchasing a lighter shade or a darker shade. I mean, it blends really well and seamlessly with your skin. Like even now you can't tell the difference that this skin tint is slightly darker than my skin tone. So even if you do not find your perfect shade in this skin tint, you can still work around with it. You just need to find a shade that is close enough to your skin tone. I hope I'm making sense here. The finish on this skin tint is something that I absolutely love. I would say that it has that natural, slightly dewy look to it. Very comfortable. It is very natural, but with just a little bit of, you know, something, like a little bit of an extra oomph to your skin. It does not feel tacky to touch whatsoever, which I really do appreciate because I absolutely hate when my foundations do not set and they leave that tacky feeling behind. So it does not do that. Since the finish is so natural, wherein it's not too dewy or it's not too matte, I do not feel the need to set my entire face. It sort of sets by itself. In fact, today also when I did my makeup, I only set my under eyes and around my nose and basically this area right over here. But you can see Baki ka face is looking pretty natural. It is so lightweight. It is extremely comfortable, making it great to use it on an everyday basis. The coverage on this is a light coverage. I mean, that's what is to be expected out of a skin tint. It evens out your face nicely, but it does conceals a little bit of that redness patchiness or unevenness that you have on your face. So in case if you're someone who has a lot of pigmentation or a lot of acne scars that you want to cover, then this is not for you. Even if you plan to apply like 2-3 layers, it will still not cover your pigmented areas, like super pigmented areas. But other than that, it does not have full coverage or like medium or even a buildable coverage. The coverage is light. Speaking about the buildability of this product, it builds really well, although it does not give you more coverage the more you build it up, but it does build up really well. So even if I go with multiple layers of this bad boy, it still will not make you look cakey, or it will not make you feel like, oh my god, I just have like way too much makeup on my skin. You guys know I am from Mumbai, so this is basically my first winter in Delhi and I'm experiencing a cold weather like this for the very first time. So my skin, although it is still oily with some dehydrated areas on my face, but this does not cling to my dry patches whatsoever. I've said this time and time again that I'm someone from the oily skin type, and this does not make my skin oily or greasy throughout the day, which I really do appreciate. And since it works so well on my oily skin type and it does not make me look or feel oily, I think this is something that will work for all skin types. Okay, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I've not worn this foundation for an entire day. Every time I've worn this foundation, I've only worn it for like a couple of hours. I would say max 6 hours I've worn this foundation on my face, and it sits very beautifully. It does not rub or get patchy throughout the day. So I think for 6 hours it stays really good. Obviously at the end of the day I do have to do a little bit of touch up because I am oily, like I mentioned earlier. But if you are someone from the dry skin type or combination skin type, I think you will be good to go. आपको touch up करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. I think I found my new favorite skin tint, and this is definitely something that will work for all skin types, which is what I really love about this skin tint. So yeah, that's that. I would highly recommend you guys trying this one out. The link to this product will be mentioned down in my description box below. There you go guys, that was my review on the new skin tint by Rimmel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. I hope I was able to help you with any confusion you had with this skin tint. So yeah, that's all for this video you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel in case if you haven't already. And that's that for this video you guys. I love you guys so much. With that you guys, I'm gonna take a leave and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye Linda.